Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious custard sago. First, gather your ingredients, including sago pearls, milk, and sugar. Begin by boiling 1 cup of sago pearls in 4 cups of water. Cook them until they become translucent, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, drain the sago thoroughly and rinse it under cold water to prevent sticking. This step ensures your sago is perfectly prepared for the next stage. Now let's create the rich custard base. In a bowl, whisk together 2 egg yolks, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch until smooth. In a separate saucepan, gently heat 2 cups of milk until it's just simmering, but not boiling. Gradually temper the egg mixture by slowly pouring in a small amount of the hot milk while continuously whisking. Then, return this combined mixture to the saucepan and cook over medium heat. Continue stirring the custard constantly over medium heat until it thickens to your desired consistency. It should coat the back of a spoon nicely. Once the custard is ready, gently fold in the prepared sago pearls, ensuring they are evenly distributed throughout the creamy mixture. Pour the combined custard sago into individual serving bowls or a large dish. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, allowing it to chill and set perfectly. Your delicious homemade custard sago is now ready to enjoy. For an extra touch, garnish your chilled dessert with fresh fruit such as sliced mango, berries, or a sprinkle of shredded coconut. Serve it cold for a truly refreshing and delightful treat that's perfect for any occasion. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to enhance your daily routine. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.